Think honey is just for toast? Think again. This pantry staple is actually a powerhouse for your energy, skin, and health. And the best part? None of these tips require cooking. Let's start with your morning routine. Instead of reaching straight for caffeine, try a morning tonic. Just stir a teaspoon of honey into warm water with a squeeze of lemon. It wakes up your digestion, hydrates you, and gives you a gentle kickstart. Speaking of mornings, honey is the perfect way to upgrade a boring breakfast. Drizzle it over oats, yogurt, or fresh fruit. It adds that satisfying sweetness without the crash of processed sugar. And for your coffee or tea, make the swap. Replace white sugar with raw honey. You get the flavor you love, plus a dose of antioxidants that your body will actually thank you for. Fast forward to the afternoon. You know that 3 p.m. slump? Instead of grabbing a candy bar, take a teaspoon of honey. The natural sugars provide a steady energy lift to get you through the rest of the workday. Honey is also nature's medicine. If you wake up with a scratchy throat or a tickly cough, a spoonful of raw honey coats the throat and soothes irritation almost instantly. It's an old remedy because it works. But here is a secret. Don't just eat it, wear it. Honey is a skincare superstar. Use it as a 1-minute face mask. Apply a thin layer, let it sit, and rinse. It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin for a radiant glow. Finally, keep a small jar handy for emergencies. Because it's antibacterial, honey makes a great quick-fix balm for chapped lips or even minor cuts and scrapes. It protects the skin while it heals. From your morning water to your skincare routine, honey is the ultimate multitasker. Which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.